beauty lovers. Imagine you're packing for a trip and your hairdryer is taking up half your bag. Sounds familiar, right? Well, today we're talking about a solution to that problem. Meet the T3 Afar lightweight travel size hairdryer. Small in size but big on performance, this little tool promises fast drying, frizz smoothing, and a design that's easy to carry anywhere. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So what's the deal with this dryer? The T3 Afar is a compact powerhouse, designed with a lightweight body that's perfect for travel. With its 1200-watt motor, it delivers quick drying results without leaving your hair feeling frazzled. It's got a dual voltage feature, so no matter where you are in the world, this dryer will work seamlessly. Plus, the folding handle makes it ultra portable, fitting easily into even the most cramped suitcases. What really stands out about this dryer is its design and ergonomic feel. The Satin Blush color is a gorgeous touch. It's subtle, yet chic. The handle's shape fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, making styling easy and comfortable, even for extended periods. No more tired arms after blow-drying your hair. The controls for heat and speed are intuitive and easy to adjust, which adds to its user-friendly experience. I've been testing this dryer for the past week, using it in the mornings and evenings, and I can honestly say it's been a pleasant experience. The drying time is noticeably quicker compared to my regular dryer, and it does a great job of smoothing out frizz. I was skeptical about how well it would handle my thick, wavy hair, but it did a surprisingly good job without drying it out. The 3 heat and speed combinations give you enough flexibility for different styles and hair types, which is great for anyone with varying needs. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly lightweight. At just 1.3 pounds, it's a game changer for anyone who struggles with heavy blow dryers. The fast drying is another major win, and it does live up to its promise of reducing frizz. The folding handle makes it travel-friendly, and the sleek design is a nice touch. On the flip side, the 1200-watt motor might not be enough for those who need a super powerful blow dryer for thick or coarse hair on a regular basis. While it does the job well for most hair types, those with more demanding needs might find it lacking in sheer power. Also, while it's travel-friendly, it may not replace a full-size dryer for everyday use if you're used to more intense drying power. Let's talk value for money. At first glance, you might think this is a bit of an investment for a travel-sized dryer. But considering the design, lightweight portability, and frizz-smoothing performance, it's a solid deal. The extra features, like the dual voltage and ergonomic build, add a lot of value for frequent travelers. If you're someone who needs a dryer that's easy to pack, but still delivers great results, I'd say the price is justified. If you're in the market for something similar but don't want to splurge, there are definitely more affordable options. You can find travel-sized dryers that work well, but might not have all the bells and whistles of the T3 Afar. However, if you're looking for something lightweight with dual voltage, quick drying, and frizz control, this is a great choice. Looking at its build quality, it's clear that T3's attention to detail is evident. The materials feel durable, and the folding handle, although small, is solid and clicks securely into place. It's also surprisingly quiet when in use, which adds to the overall pleasant experience. As for longevity, time will tell how well the motor holds up with consistent use, but it seems well built for its purpose. If you've had any experiences with T3 products before, you probably already know their customer service is responsive and helpful. While I haven't had to reach out for this specific product, I've always heard positive things about the brand's support. So, does this dryer live up to its claims? I'd say yes for most people, especially if you travel a lot or need a compact dryer for quick fixes. It's perfect for maintaining smooth, frizz-free hair on the go, but those with thicker, more demanding hair may need something with more power for everyday use. Now, if this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the T3 Afar in the comments or description box below. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.